everybody, it's Moesha Chantae and welcome back to another video. Wagwan on a define zine. Alright guys, so today I'll be showing you how I achieve this beautiful faux lock look. But before you guys go into the video, make sure to like, comment, and please subscribe. Thank you guys so very much for the love and continuous support. Thank you. Alright guys, so we are starting off with semi-freshly washed hair. So my hair is washed like 4 days prior to this style. But overnight I had it sitting in some chunky twists and it was drenched, okay, in some ORS moisturizing hair lotion just to prep my hair as much as need be. We all know whenever it's time to do a protective style, it's moisture. So I'm adding in some African shea butter as well as my oil mixture to my hair. We are not gonna play around with moisture at all, guys. But I need the length to be a bob, shoulder length bob, so I had to add in some hair to my natural hair, some extensions. So I had this hair sitting in my closet, so I decided to just use it because I don't think I was going to use it for anything else. And I used some edge wax on the scalp and then I braided my hair down. And honestly guys, this could have been a look. I mean, maybe if my hair was blended in a little bit better, it could have been a look. I'm just saying. But I used the Water Wave Freetress hair in color 1B. And I cut it in half because we are only going to be doing a bob, a shoulder length bob. So we don't need the additional length. Plus, when I split one single strand in two, it gives me the fullness and the thickness that I need to do this style. So that's what I did, and I just grabbed an extra piece and wrapped it around. Now I'm gonna give you guys a more detailed explanation of the method that I used. But as of right now, I just wanted to show you guys what my first lock looked like, and it was a little stiff, but it was okay. Hey y'all, so I wanted to come on here and show you guys what I've been doing so far. This is where we're at. I literally do not know how Winnie Jean did this in 3 hours, but I'm gonna show you guys what I've been doing. So I'm in the middle and I'm gonna show you guys the detail method that I've come up with at the front, but I just want to show you guys. So I'm in the middle and this is where I braided in the one of the extensions, but I want my I can't talk, faux lock to be down here. So what I've been doing is I have my pieces, I separate them a little bit to get the fluff because I want that thickness. I want each lock to be at least a finger width. And what I do, I have my two pieces and I would stretch some of them, but you don't have to stretch it because you want it to crochet properly. So I'm gonna put them in semi-evenly. This is one level right here and this is another level down here. I'm gonna still crochet in on a flat base where both of them can go into the latch properly. So instead of just dropping it evenly, because it's gonna be short and I don't want it to be short, I have both of them separated in my hand and I pull onto one section down here, but we know it's not gonna, so stretch all the way down there. And I'll show you guys the detail as soon as I hit the front. And I'm so excited because I did not think I could do this, you guys. Y'all, I'm proud. But I feel like once you do it, you get better at it and you get to learn your own flow. You guys, your girl is almost done. Finished. Completed. You overstand? You overstand me? The vibrations? You turn rust 2 seconds and your language change. See me? I have 2 left. I have 2 leave. I might put my hair up so you guys won't see it in the background. Crochet needle, glide under or through your braid, And we have 2 cut pieces, which would technically make one water wave piece, but I cut it in 2 so it'll be thicker and we won't waste hair. So I kind of like slide one down just a little, but I make sure I'm holding both of them properly. Glide it onto the hook like so, like that. Pull it through. Now you're going to level it, kind of make it uneven. So this is one piece, this is the other piece, but I need it to be down here. Then you have one piece, hold it where there's one small piece at one end and a longer piece which you're gonna wrap with on the other. So basically you're just gonna attach the shorter end and hold it tightly onto the hair you're about to wrap around, and the longer piece is gonna wrap around the rest of the hair. Attach them. Now hold the lock. This is where our lock taut. Hold it. So if I do this, if I'm yanking on it, it won't come off, or it won't come out of my hand. Not tight enough to hurt yourself, and then begin to wrap around and over. And for the beginning, I do it as tightly as possible, but not tight to hurt you, but tightly as possible. And your index and your thumb are holding this piece stationary, and you are not twisting them. So you're not gonna do this, because if you do this, or you're gonna get a twist, and we don't want a twist, we want a lock. So your index and your thumb are holding this piece stationary, and you're going to wrap around. Then, because you want it to look as natural and bubble dread and natty dread as possible, and those are Jamaican words, of course, you are not going to do it tightly so it looks uniformed. So we don't want this super uniform look. I'll wrap it around loosely, as if you don't care. Not twisting, but wrapping. So this index finger is still catching it. Now, as soon as you reach to the end here, as soon as you're near the end, like this, you're gonna hold it, undo another wave, grab a small piece, attach that small piece to the long end. It's right here. Attach it to the long end, and this small piece that is right here is now attached to this piece. And I do it tightly just to make sure it's in there and it won't come out. And then after that, I do it like twice. Then after that, you just let it go. Once you're at that end, if you don't want to add another lock, you don't have to. So this is the hair we've been wrapping around. You're going to grab a little section. This is the one we were wrapping before. Let's turn it this way. This is the one we were wrapping before, and this is a piece out of this section. Hold them together, taut, grab them real tight, and wrap it around tight 2 times, and then just let it flow. Wrap around, make a loop, and insert the hair right here and make a knot. Then I wrap the hair upwards. Right, I'm gonna chop this piece off, and there we go. Alright guys, so for this last one, just follow along with me. I don't want to keep talking because sometimes I feel like, you know, when you're talking too much in a video, it can be like noise. I want you guys to follow along and actually learn the steps. So if you can, definitely pick up a piece of hair and practice. If you guys have any comments or questions, definitely leave them in the comment section below. I will definitely try to get to them and answer any of your questions or concerns. But go ahead and continue watching the video, and thank you. finally, guys. We're finally finito. Alright y'all, so this is the end of the tutorial. Thank you guys so very much for sticking around with me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Before you leave, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys. Bless up.